everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Brian. I know it's been a while. Work's been crazy, life's been crazy. And I just didn't have any other ideas right away. So I brought in somebody else who has an idea and something to make for you, or to give you ideas on what to make. So we have somebody else here who's going to show you how to make pork green chili. I'm not brave enough to try that for y'all, so we'll let this person try it. I'm just going to run the camera. So without any further ado, I'll turn it over to your chef for the night.
Hello everybody, I'm Ron, the other half, and I am going to be cooking pork green chili actually. And the ingredients call for, figure 2 cups diced pork, about 1/4 cup of freshly chopped onion, 8 tablespoons of diced jalapeno. I get a can of the 14.5 ounce can of the diced tomatoes. Good shit. Also about a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cilantro, and about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So first we throw on the pork. Maybe a little pug down here who's kind of hampering things. And what we do is you let that brown, which will be a few minutes. Once that browns, we'll continue with the rest of the recipe. Alright, well the pork is browned. I just browned it in a little bit, probably like 1/4 inch of water, and let it simmer and make a little gravy kind of substance. Now we're going to add we'll do like a 1/2 teaspoon of this. Do it by eye. Oops. Did not see that. Oops. Okay, maybe 3/4. Then some cilantro, which that's a good amount. About 2 or 3 pinches. And then add the 1/4 cup of chopped onion. And the 8 tablespoons of jalapeno. And pretty much a cup of diced tomatoes. And where is my powder? And mix it all together. I have 3 different recipes for green chili, and this is one of them. The other one requires flour. This one doesn't. This one's an easy way to make it. So just incorporate all this and add about a cup of water. Just enough to fill it to the top of the concoction. And let that boil for about 10 minutes on medium-high heat, or medium heat. And 10 minutes later you'll have some pork green chili with fire-roasted tomatoes. But we'll show you the finished product here in a moment. So we'll be back with you in about 5 minutes. And now it's taken a little bit longer to reduce than I planned because I did not have the heat as high as it should have been. Anywho, it is now done. And this is the finished product. Oh, man. So just scoop this up into a bowl. Warm up a couple tortillas, and you got you a nice green chili for a cold winter's night. So on behalf of Mr. Brian, my name is Ron, and thank you for watching my cooking segment on making pork green chili. Have a good night.